Okay, so this is what I have found so far. If you can see that black wire right there with the chart, the charred end, whatever, that thing right there on the end of the black wire, that is supposed to be in the bottom of that socket, but it looks like it melted out. The other connection that you can see in the top of the circle looks okay. The bottom one is jacked, and I am not paying a shit ton of money for another headlight. So I think I'm going to connect that wire to the new what they call a socket. And so I'm just going to wire it to one of these, and then the other one will make the connection, theoretically. We'll see about this, but I'm going to keep you guys posted.